From I Love the King of Morocco Films presents harassment and violations. My mother has been seriously violated by Miami-Dade County in the state of Florida. When lawyers and doctors were supposed to be held accountable, when their licenses were supposed to be stripped away from them, and when very powerful, from Miami-Dade County Mayor Jimenez to State Attorney Catherine Fernandez Rundle to the Senator Gwen Margolis et al. Were supposed to be held accountable. They had drugged a little girl. They had lied to her. They had threatened her. They mistreated her. They traumatized her, and they put my mother and my life and my sister's life in danger, as well as my father's life. Until we are heard properly before a court of law, serious corruption exists, and there is no constitutional rights, not when the police are bribed and paid for. From I Love the King of Morocco Films.